Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well. From today we are starting our new series on newses. So our first topic is QR code. So let's understand QR code in brief. So now we are going to see some points which we will discuss in our today's class. Those are what is QR code, then utility of QR code, difference between QR code and barcode, and QR code technology. So let's begin with the first point, that is what is QR code. Now we are going to understand what is a QR code. The QR code is a two-dimensional version of barcode. QR code stands for quick response, which refers to the instant access to the information hidden in the code. A QR code consists of black squares arranged in a square grid on white background, which can be read by an imagining device such as camera. It was first designed in 1994 for the automotive industry in Japan. Now it is widely used to get the websites more quickly. So let's see our next point, that is utility of QR code. So now we are going to understand the utility of QR code. The main advantage of QR code is its versatility, and QR code can be used for anything and everything. Due to its fast readability and greater storage capacity compared to the standard UPC barcode, key application of QR code are product tracking, item identification, general marketing, etc. So let's move to our next point, that is difference between QR code and barcode. QR codes are different from the traditional UPC, Universal Product Code, barcode, which are made up of numbers and horizontal lines. Apart from this, the QR code contains more information compared to the UPC barcode. A barcode only contains information in a horizontal direction. A QR code contains information in both a horizontal and vertical direction, hence the name two-dimensional code. Due to structural difference, a QR code contains 100 times more information than a barcode and has greater potential to store more information in smaller space than barcode. The most desirable advantage of QR codes over conventional barcodes, QR codes have error rate of 7 by 30%. Even if the packing of the product in question or the code is damaged or soiled, the QR code works. Also, the QR code can be scanned faster than UPC barcode. So our next point is QR code technology. So now we are going to understand technology of QR code. It contains of black squares arranged in a square grid on white background. A QR code uses 4 standardized encoding modes: numeric, alphanumeric, byte, binary, and kanji to store data efficiently. Extension may be also used. Up to 7089 digits and 4296 characters can be entered in one code. The hidden information can be read by an imagining device such as camera, and the required data then extract from patterns that are present in code. Now we have completed our topic QR code in detail. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. Like, share and subscribe my channel Little Home Tutor. Thank you very much.